Welcome into the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today, I'm going to bring you guys a super undervalued low cap gaming gem that could do a 4,300%. Why I like this, why is the right time to buy, and actually how to buy the token. Now, right now in the industry, you obviously want to follow narratives. Okay, two of the biggest narratives are gaming and AI. So I'm looking for low cap gaming tokens, right? Obviously, IMX is great. It'll probably do a 3 or 5x, but I want to find coins that can potentially do a 100x, if not more. So, doing my research, I came across Epic Prime. This is a premium licensed NFT and in-game drops and more. So there's other games that are going to use them. They have over 300 game companies, over 1,000 brands, and a 1 billion plus gaming base. So they have a Prime marketplace that offers NFT platform working with AAA game companies and giant entertainment IP and brands to create in-game NFT goods and marketplaces. So that is already built. They're going to be coming out with an Epic Verse very soon. Another thing that I liked about it is they have an app called Locker. You'll be able to view and access all of your items from all of your games. Locker lets you manage your items and purchases at home, at work, or even on the go. So the fact that they already have an app built is huge. And there's also a way to stake the tokens. Now this is huge right here. If you go to the About Us, you can see some of the companies they're working with: Warner, Universal, Sony, Ultraman, Capcom. This one's, I think you say that Bandai is pretty big. The other thing I liked about them, oh, here we go. Advisors from Nintendo, Tetris, Pokemon, My Little Pony. So you guys can do your own research on them. They have been building since 2018. So let's look at their chart. So they came out kind of at the very end of the last bull run. So this is why I like where this token's at now, is they got up to basically 80 cents in the last bull market. They've built through this whole time, and now they're coming out of it, so that we can see there's some longevity there. The market cap is only 19 million. So I like to find tokens below 50 million right now and take little positions in them. Their fully diluted is 36 million. And the good news is they are on the Binance Smart Chain, so we don't have to deal with Ethereum fees. So when we buy the token, we're going to buy it on Binance Smart Chain. So even if we zoom in here, okay, it's been going up 38% this month, but we're still below 2 pennies. So you can kind of start to see that it's coming up. And I just did some math for you guys. So if we go from 0.18 cents where we're at now to just 80 cents, which is their all-time high, that's 4,344 percentage. So what would that look like? I'm going to be putting in $300 today. So if it does hit its all-time high again, that will equal 13,332. Now, if you want to get a little more heavy into this, you put in $1,000. That would be $44,000 if it hits its all-time high. Again, no guarantees here, obviously. Not financial advice. Do your own research, but that is just pure math right there. So that is why I want to get a little position in this. So let's look at how we're going to buy this today. We're going to want to get their contract address right here. So we're going to copy that, 0x36. We're going to go to pancakeswap.finance and go to trade and swap. You're going to want to send USDT to your Rabby wallet or MetaMask if you're still using that. And we're going to come here, paste the token. We see Epic from CoinGecko. We're going to import it. I understand, import. And we're just going to go ahead and do the max. And we're going to get 16,000 Epic, so we'll confirm that. So this is not supported by Rabby, so I'll show you guys how to add that too. So we're going to come here, just click anywhere. We can go to Binance Smart Chain, and we're going to paste the token address in there. We'll click on that, and it should show up now. There it is right there, Epic. Okay, so now that we've bought it, we can come back here to stake it, and this will give us some benefits, exclusive access to Epic Prime or Epic Prime Plus, early access to certain items, special pricing on select items, qualify for giveaways, and early access to the Locker app. So we're going to obviously stake on BSC. So we'll connect our wallet first. Ooh, good, they have Rabby. We'll connect. Change to Binance Smart Chain. Stake your Epic to get Epic Prime membership and earn member-only rewards and benefits. After staking, withdrawals are subject to a 15-day unlocking period. You can add to your staked Epic if your spending cap is greater than or equal to the amount you want to stake. We recommend that you set your spending cap to the maximum amount you ever want to stake, since you will incur a transaction fee every time you increase your spending cap. So let's see, let's increase our spending cap. We're not getting anything major here, but you never know, we might get some. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do, actually, maybe I'll just do 10,000. That way, in case it does take off, I don't have to wait to unlock, and I can sell to make some profit and leave some in there to stake. Okay, so we have that. Looks like if you want to request the withdrawal, you would just hit here and hit request, and then you will have to wait the 15 days as it's unstaked. I would also recommend that you guys come over to Twitter and follow them just to stay up to date. But they have 44,000 followers, which is good. You can see Kyle Chassis follows them. That's always a good sign to have an influencer doing that. Epic Prime membership is coming. Epic Prime membership NFT. So that might be something you guys want to put on your radar. They're giving away some contests with sand. But the big thing here, guys, again, is, I mean, this is super low right now. It's down 96%. And as you can see, again, from the percentage calculator, if it just goes back to all-time high, we're making some pretty good bank at 44, what was it? 4,000x, guys. All right. So again, make sure you guys do your research, but I'm just, as I do my research and search Twitter and YouTube for those low cap gaming gems, I thought I would bring this one to you guys and just show you what I'm doing with my funds in crypto right now. Obviously, you guys have to make your decision, but get educated and take massive action as we're heading into this bull run here. All right, guys, lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.